Infrastructure is the backbone of modern society. But building it is only the beginning. Keeping it safe and operational consumes 2/3 of all our infrastructure spendings, because the most critical assets are the hardest to reach. Under bridges, inside confined tunnels, or along dam walls. Much of this work that needs to be done is at height, and that is dangerous. At the same time, demand for inspection is increasing. Infrastructure is aging, loads are rising, and the need for reliable upkeep has never been greater. Meet Aithon Robotics. We have developed a hybrid aerial robot that combines agile flight with industrial-grade interaction. It reaches places no one else can. Then it perches and acts, using real power tools, quadrilles, radar scanners, and much more. Up to 500 newtons of force, 5 kilos of payload, millimeter precision. This isn't just inspection, it's intervention, placing real capabilities exactly where humans can't go safely and affordably. Aithon was created at ETH Zurich and is now part of the Pioneer Fellow Incubation Program. It began with a simple question: can a drone drill into concrete? The answer became a prototype, then award-winning research by a team that proved itself again and again. Through funded development, advanced studies, and real-world missions across Europe. The technology works, but the real mission is bigger, changing how infrastructure is maintained. Moving away from reactive firefighting toward proactive preventive intervention. Fixing small problems early before they become shutdowns, failures, and safety risks affecting all of us. At Aithon Robotics, we are building technology that keeps people safe and infrastructure running. Smarter, longer, and without the risks. That's what drives us, and we're just getting started.